when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we got some salmon right here. We're about to go ahead and chop them up into little bites. We got some salmon bites. We also have our asparagus with our bacon. We're gonna make some bacon wrapped asparagus. So we're about to make it happen right here in this good kitchen. Nice salmon. Caught a cool little sale. $17.42. You can't beat it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my garlic. We're gonna make it happen. Alright, so here go the asparagus right here. So go ahead and take this bacon. I'm just gonna give it a nice wrap with the bacon. Just like that, bacon wrapped asparagus. Start from over here, and then just give it a nice wrap. So here go the fish right here. We'll go ahead and season it up. We'll use some applewood. Some complete seasoning. Some paprika. And some sweet soy sauce. We want that seasoning to stick. Okay, so my oven's preheat on 400. We're gonna give it a nice little spray, some coconut oil. We'll put our salmon, place our salmon on there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and season it with some Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning. It was some parsley. And it's going right in the oven, just like that, with no cover, nothing. All right, I just chopped up me some garlic, and I smashed it real good, gave it a nice chop, chop, chop. Now we're gonna add our honey. I'm gonna throw this in the microwave for 1 minute. And this is what I'm gonna pour on top of my salmon. That good garlic and honey. Okay, we're gonna give it 30 seconds, not a whole minute. Just 30 seconds. Okay, so the salmon is done. I'm gonna put our honey, garlic, okay, so here we go right here. We have our bacon wrapped asparagus. We have our rice. Our salmon bites. You can say honey garlic salmon bites. Did my thing right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. All notifications.